One TV special report.
Naval Reserve Command Headquarters, Naval Reserve Center, Western Mindanao, Naval Station Rio Hondo, Barangay Rio Hondo, Zamboanga City. Block of appreciation is awarded to PO 3rd Norman H. Bunto, MM-P20-00369, Philippine Navy Reserve, in grateful appreciation for his invaluable support rendered to Naval Reserve Center, Western Mindanao, in the construction of the admin building of the 61st Naval Squadron Reserve and 92nd Marine Company Reserve, given this day of 25th of January 2026 at Camp Doña Consuelo, San Antonio, Ozamis City, Misamis Occidental, signed by Captain Wendell Boy Z. Montago, Philippine Navy General Staff Corps, Commander, Naval Research Center, Western Mindanao. Same flag of appreciation is awarded to Honorable Rusty Fiel, Barangay Captain of Doña Consuelo, Ozamis City, Misamis Occidental. Same flag of appreciation is awarded to Honorable Rodel L. Camigay, Barangay Captain, San Antonio, Ozamis City, Misamis Occidental, and now represented by Honorable Barangay Kagawad Nolan Labatisos. Same flag of appreciation is awarded to 61st Naval Squadron Reserve to receive a PO 3rd Norman H. Bantog, Philippine Navy Reserve Chief Master at Arms. Same flag of appreciation is awarded to 92nd Marine Company Reserve to be received by Sergeant Teddy S. Bocayo of Philippine Navy Marine Reserve, non-commissioned officer in charge.
Congratulations, everyone.
9A3, Philippine Navy Reserve. Fitting Officer, 3rd Class Cesar Ian Rodriguez, MM-T23-051, 989, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Victor C. Caruana, MM-T23-052026, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second James B. Villanueva, MM-T23-052009, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Zomer L. Hiron, MM-T23-052015, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Wendell L. Carmona, MM-T23-052027, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second James L. Ciballos, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Gerson Castillon Guadiano, MM-T23-052012, Philippine Navy Reserve. Private First Mike B. Cascones, MM-T20-000494, Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Corporal Celso C. Suerte, Senior, MM-T20-000541, Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Reggie S. Ciso, MM-T20-000538, Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. And Private First Class Rodrigo R. Torres Jr., MM-T20-000541, Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Philippine Navy Naval Reserve Command Headquarters Naval Reserve Center, Western Mindanao Naval Station, Rio Hondo, Barangay Rio Hondo, Zamboanga City. Special Order Number 009, dated 1st of June 2025. Following named and listed reservists are hereby promoted to the next higher rank of Seaman First to E-3, effective upon approval after satisfying the mandatory requirements for promotions. I will be calling the name first. Seaman Second Class Alan La Peña, MM-P20-000438. Next, Seaman Second Reynaldo Abelarde III, MM-P20-000413, Reserve. Seaman Second J. R. Albrando, MM-P20-000414, Reserve. Seaman Second Jonel D. Almodia, Senior, MM-P20-000417. Seaman Second Edgardo P. Mano, MM-P20-000421, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Jenver Verde Prado, MM-P20-000423, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Jenver M. Verde Prado, MM-P20-000423, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Raymond S. Bujungan, MM-P20-000424, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Alan J. Cortez, MM-P20-000429, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Leopoldo D. De La Cruz, Jr., MM-P20-000432, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Rosilio A. Humungon, Jr., MM-P20-000435, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Jimmy M. Anyabo, MM-P20-000444, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Steve S. Milan, MM-P20-000448, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Juni T. Segario, MM-P20-000457, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Eden G. Siega, MM-P20-000459, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Ace Alexis P. Suezo, MM-P20-000461, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman Second Melanie R. Torres, MM-P20-000468, Philippine Navy Reserve. And Seaman Second Steve G. Transporto, MM-P20-000469. 4. The Special Order Number 010, dated the 1st of June 2025. Following name and listed reservists are hereby promoted to the next higher rank of TO 3rd to E-4, effective upon approval after satisfying the mandatory requirements for promotions. First, Seaman First Leila De La Peña, MM-T19-000396, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Jamil Arasan, MM-T19-011577, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Raul Kulkul, MM-T19-011577, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Dolores Montesa, MM-T19-011642, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Baby Rose Suklaan, MM-T19-011667, Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Analisa Carion, MM-T19-011686 Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Edwin Barreta, MM-T20-000392 Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Evelyn Cartian, MM-T20-000395 Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First John Kamer Vilsano, MM-T20-000409 Philippine Navy Reserve. Seaman First Arnold Resuanto, MM-T2-0005-454 Philippine Navy Reserve. Next is the special order number 011, dated the 1st of June 2025, and the following named listed reservists are hereby promoted to the next higher rank of Corporal to E-3, effective upon approval after satisfying the mandatory requirements for promotions. First, Private First Class Advento Nakwa, MM-T19-001644 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Danilo Monarca, MM-T19-011720 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Randy Villasor, MM-T19-011727 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Almer Tanian, MM-T19-011728 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Orlando Rosauro, MM-T20-000456 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Judy Tigolo, MM-T20-000467 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Junzi Bansagon, MM-T20-000499 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Jammer Quaresma, MM-T20-000503 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Alton Dave De La Torre, MM-T20-000506 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Arthur Pumawan, MM-T20-000515 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Angelo Lebon Pasel, MM-T20-000520 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Joylyn Mendoza, MM-T20-000523 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. And Private First Class Enesito Lupicentlo, MM-T19-011629 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Arbel Monsalon, MM-T20-0052500535 Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Raji Siso, Philippine Navy Marines Reserve. Private First Class Rodrigo Torres, MM-T20.
Congratulations to our awardees and promotees.
Harap sa kanan! No!
As a symbol of gratitude and appreciation, we now present a token and memento to Captain Wendell Boy Z. Buntar, Philippine Navy General Staff Corps, Commander, Naval Reserve Center, Western Mindanao. We may call on Theopherd Norman Bantog, Philippine Navy Reserve, Simaa 621st NSR to facilitate the presentation of token. Thank you very much, sir. At this moment, we will witness the guest book signing. We will now request our honored guest, Captain Wendell Boy Z. Buntag, Philippine Navy General Staff for Commander, Naval Reserve Center, Western Mindanao, to please proceed with the guest book signing.
Kaya para ma-ipalan po sa tanan sa isulat niya rin para dili lang sila nag-witness. So, date 25 January 2026. Thank you very much for the warm accommodation and very snappy initiatives for 6 troopers, NSR, and 932nd MCR. God bless to all and Happy New Year. Sign.
Ako'y maglaya ng ating hanapin ang mali ng dalagan ng hamon ng alon. Dalag ko ang lakas at dasal ng bawat Pilipino, gaano man kataas ang tindi nito. Puso'y handa sa tawag ng tungkulin, tulang may alay, kapalit man ay buhay. Ang pangako ko na ika'y aking ingatan, bayan ko na perlas ng silangan. Haharapin ko ang hamon ng alon, kasama kong langkawan. Kahit gaano kalakas ang hampas at hamon ng alon, maaasahan mo, pinapangako namin na kami ay nandun. Sa Diyos mano sa laban, kami nakahanda at maaasahan. Kapanglakas, sama-samang tutulong sa bayan. Harapin ko ang hamon ng alon, kasama walang kawal. Kahit gano kalakas ang hampas at hamon ng alon, pinapangako namin kabilang mo.
Thank you very much to everyone who raised this important occasion. May this newly facility stand as lasting symbol of unity, service, and commitment to our nation. Good day, and mabuhay ang Philippine Navy!
Everyone is welcome to have their photo opportunity.